Figured I would go through my collection before I start thinning them out. There's a bunch of 49 SP part saws down there. This is a 2163, 044, 500 EVL. Actually, I put an electronic coil on it. That's a 350 Husky 024. That's my uncle's. Two 70Es. Some miscellaneous boxes of parts. You know, there's some Mac 1010 in parts. I think there's two complete saws that are all torn apart. I got a Super Pro 80 in one of them boxes in pieces as well. 3.3 Craftsman pulling 3300, 272, 268 open port. Check out my Workbench as well. Let's see, what else? Grinding chain at the moment. And this is the chainsaw room. I think that's going to a local guy. Super 2, Mini Mac, a couple of 150 home lights, some more Mini Macs, a couple leaf blowers down there, and a 141, my parts cleaner, some spare handles and broken handles and stuff like that for 272s. 445, I gotta get an intake manifold for it. Figured I would show it off before I start really selling them. I have been selling saws already, but that's my collection as of, I don't know, October 29th. Have a good one.